Hey DIY friends, ready to turn trash into treasure? Today we're tackling a project that's big on style and even bigger on savings, a DIY pallet chairbed combo. That's right, we're taking those humble wooden pallets and transforming them into a multifunctional masterpiece perfect for your patio, living room, or anywhere you need a comfy spot to relax. This project is perfect for DIYers of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I'll guide you through each step with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Not only will you end up with a unique and stylish piece of furniture, but you'll also be giving new life to recycled materials. Talk about a win-win. So, grab your tools, put on your DIY hat, and let's get started. This project is all about customization. You can adjust the size, add features like armrests or a backrest, and choose finishes that match your personal style. The possibilities are endless. Plus, using pallets is a budget-friendly way to create a statement piece for your home without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of pallet woodworking and unlock your inner DIY guru. Get ready to impress yourself and everyone else with your amazing upcycling skills. Before we start building, let's gather our materials and tools. Don't worry, you won't need a workshop full of fancy equipment. Here's what you'll need. Wooden pallets. You'll need 2 or 3 standard-sized pallets depending on the desired size of your chair bed. A circular saw or jigsaw works best for cutting the pallets. Measuring tape and pencil. Accurate measurements are key to a successful project. Screwdriver or drill for attaching the pallet pieces together securely. Screws. Choose screws that are long enough to hold the pallet wood together. Sandpaper, various grits, to smooth out any rough edges and prepare the wood for finishing. Safety glasses and gloves. Protect those peepers and paws, optional but helpful. Crowbar, useful for dismantling the pallets if needed. Wood glue, adds extra strength to your joints. Clamps, help hold pieces together while the glue dries. Once you have all your supplies ready, it's time to move on to the exciting part, prepping those pallets. Now let's talk about those pallets. Pallets are often used for shipping, so they can be a bit rough around the edges, literally. Before we start building, we need to give them a little TLC. First, inspect your pallets for any loose nails or staples and remove them carefully. Then, give the pallets a good cleaning with soap and water. Allow them to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Next, it's time to sand. Sanding is crucial for removing splinters and creating a smooth, even surface. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper and gradually work your way up to a finer grit for a polished finish. Remember, safety first. Wear your safety glasses and gloves while sanding. Once your pallets are clean, dry, and smooth, we're ready to start building. Section 4, Building the Base. A foundation of fun. With our prepped pallets, let's start building the chair base. This will be the foundation of our chairbed combo. First, measure and mark the desired dimensions of your chair base on one of the pallets. A standard chair seat is around 20 inches deep and 24 inches wide, but you can adjust this to your liking. Use your saw to carefully cut the pallet along your marked lines. Next, take your second pallet and cut it down to create the back and armrests of the chair. The height of the backrest is up to you, but around 16 to 18 inches is a comfortable height. For the armrests, cut 2 pieces about 20 inches long. Now, it's time to assemble the base. Attach the backrest to the seat base using screws and wood glue for extra strength. Make sure the backrest is securely attached and can support weight. Attach the armrest to the sides of the seat base, again using screws and glue. Section 5, Convertible Comfort, crafting the chairbed mechanism. Now for the fun part, creating the convertible mechanism. This is what will allow our chair to transform into a comfy bed in a snap. We'll achieve this by creating a separate section that can be attached to the chair base to extend its length. Measure the desired length of your bed extension. This will determine how long your chair bed will be when fully extended. Cut the remaining pallet wood to create a rectangular frame that matches the width of your chair base and the length of your bed extension. This frame will act as the support for the bed extension. Attach this frame to the front edge of the chair base using hinges. This will allow the frame to swing up and down, transforming the chair into a bed. To ensure stability, use sturdy hinges and attach them securely with screws. Section 6, Finishing Touches. From rough to remarkable, our chairbed combo is starting to take shape. Now let's add those finishing touches that will take it from basic to beautiful. First, give the entire piece another round of sanding. Pay close attention to any rough edges or corners. Remember, a smooth finish is crucial for comfort and aesthetics. Once you're happy with the smoothness, it's time to choose your finish. You can stain the wood to enhance its natural beauty or paint it a fun color to match your decor. If you choose to stain, apply a sealant afterwards to protect the wood from moisture and wear. Allow the stain or paint to dry completely before moving on to the next step. This is a great time to step back and admire your handiwork. Section 7. Style and Snuggles personalizing your pallet masterpiece. Now comes the really fun part, adding your personal touch. This is where you can let your creativity shine and transform your pallet chairbed into a reflection of your unique style. Add some comfy cushions and pillows for extra support and style. Choose fabrics and patterns that complement your decor. You can even get creative and sew your own custom covers. Consider adding a throw blanket for those chilly evenings. A small side table is also a handy addition, providing a spot to rest your drinks or snacks. With a few simple additions, you've transformed your pallet creation into a cozy and inviting haven.